Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to build an orientation builder. We're gonna make our app both support landscape mode and portrait mode. So let's start coding. Let's import our material as usual and create an stateless widget. We don't need a stateful here because we don't manage the state here. I'm gonna call it orientation view. Let's make it scaffold, and I'm gonna create an app bar. Let's give it a title. Oops, app bar, and call it orientation tutorial. Now let's create our orientation builder widget. We're gonna use this, and this gets a builder method and context and orientation. We're gonna return a grid view here, grid view dot. I'm gonna go with count, and let's make cross-axis a count. Okay, so we're going to use orientation here. Orientation, if orientation is equals to orientation dot portrait. If it's portrait, we're gonna use 3 containers in each line. If it's landscape, we're gonna use 3 containers in each line. And let's create our containers here. I'm gonna generate a list that's gonna be in 30 length, and let's create here a padding edge inserts dot all. Let's make it 10. Then let's give it a child, and this child's gonna take container, and container have height 50 and width 50 and colors dot orange. Yeah, that's all. We can do an orientation with that line of code. It's easy, right? So let's save it and see what we have here. That's it. We have our orientational list here, grid view. So let's make it landscape. It doesn't take the landscape, I think. Yeah, it takes the landscape. So in landscape mode, we have 3 containers, as you can see, and in portrait mode, we have 2 containers in each line. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe.